Hello everyone, hope you are doing well. Today I am back with two numericals. One I will solve and the other you will solve. Here I am directly solving a question which was given in NEET 2018. And this pattern numericals are very common in any entrance examination, that is both in NEET as well as in JEE. Let's read this. Which of the following water sample has maximum number of molecules? So one given as 18 milliliter of water, the second given as 0.18 grams of water, and the third one 0.00224 liter of water vapor at STP, and the fourth one 10 power minus 3 moles of water. So from the different options given, for all these four options, we need to find the number of molecules. But no need to find the exact number of molecules, because we need to find only which of them is having maximum number of molecules. As explained in the previous videos, in order to compare the number of molecules in different substances or number of molecules in different samples of the same compound, in all the cases, instead of calculating the exact number of molecules, we need to always calculate number of moles, because the one which is having more number of moles will always have more number of molecules, isn't it? Number of molecules is always directly proportional to number of moles. If you have any doubt regarding this one, you can watch the previous video whose link I had kept in the description box. Number of molecules is directly proportional to number of moles. For example, 1 mole of any substance contain Avogadro number of molecules. 2 moles of any substance contain 2 into Avogadro number of molecules. So if more number of moles are there, more number of molecules. So let us convert all of them into number of moles. For option A, it is given 18 milliliter of water. We cannot solve the numerical as it is, because water exists in liquid form at room temperature. So here we need to convert this volume into mass. How you will convert volume into mass? By using the concept of density, isn't it? And we know that density of water is 1 gram per milliliter, and density is mass upon volume, and we need mass and volume is given. So therefore mass is equal to density multiplied by volume, 1 into 18. So we are getting 18 grams of water, isn't it? So in option A, 18 grams of water is given, and 18 grams of water is nothing but equal to 1 mole of water, isn't it? Number of moles is equal to given mass divided by gram molecular mass. So 18 upon 8 is 1. So we got here 1 mole of water. Let's calculate for the second one. It is very simple. Mass is given, divide by the molecular mass, we will be getting the number of moles directly, 0.01. So for second option, the number of moles are 0.01 mole. Let's see how to get it from option C. It is given 0.00224 liter of water vapor. Remember here, option A and C are completely different. You cannot solve option A similar to that of option C, because in option C it is clearly given as water vapor. Water is present in the gaseous state. So we know that 1 mole of any gas, 1 mole of any gas, it may be water vapor or any gas, at STP occupy 22.4 liters, isn't it? Now it is given as 0.00224 liter. So we need to find out how many moles are there. It is 0.00224 divided by 22.4. To bring this decimal to this point, this should be multiplied with 10 power 4 and divided by 10 power 4. So finally we'll be getting the answer as 1 by 10 power 4, that is 0.0001 mole. So for option C, the number of moles are 10 power minus 4 moles. And no need to solve option D because this is already given as 10 power minus 3 moles. 10 power minus 3 moles. And we know that wherever number of moles are there, number of molecules are more. So our answer is option A. So our answer is 18 milliliter of water. Now it's time for you to solve your numerical. Here it is. So from the given 4 options, you need to find out where do we come across Avogadro number of carbon atoms. You need to find out in which case Avogadro number of carbon atoms are present. Whether it is 12 grams of carbon dioxide or 22.4 liter of carbon dioxide at room temperature or 44 grams of CO2 or 12 moles of CO2. After solving this, and you definitely keep your answer in the comment box, I will check it out. Thank you very much. Let's meet in the next video with more number of numericals. Enjoy studying.